Hello, my friends. In this video, I will show you the accessories I use in order to make the POV photography video sessions. POV, or point of view, refers to a type of photography and videography that captures images or footage from the perspective of the person using the camera. This immersive style allows viewers to experience what the photographer or videographer sees, making them feel as though they are part of the action. Whether you're documenting adventures, sports, or everyday moments, POV adds a dynamic and engaging element to your visuals. Let's see the 3 basic accessories for POV videography. The first accessory is the neck holder mount. This accessory is ideal for keeping the camera close to your body and recording video from your perspective. It's very convenient for everyday activities. It's small and easy to carry and wear. This method is not ideal for extreme sports or running because the strap is not very tight on your chest and the camera bounces. But for our case where we record POV sessions is ideal. The second accessory is the backpack clip mount. This solution is perfect when you're traveling or exploring. You can record video comfortably while keeping your hands free. The accessory is so small that you can easily keep it in your bag. It's a great choice for POV videos, as it not only shows the camera but also the surrounding environment. The third accessory is the chest strap. This accessory allows you to record from your chest level, offering a unique perspective. The chest strap is excellent for sports activities or adventures, as it captures the action impressively, perfect for extreme sports. The only downside is that it's not as easy to put on as the other 2 options, but it provides excellent security, and you feel confident that the camera won't move from its place. In our case, since we're simply recording POV photography sessions, the neck holder mount is more suitable. In my previous POV video, I used a backpack clip on my shirt. Now that AKASO has sent me this accessory, I created a POV session video that you'll see in the coming days on my channel, using the AKASO V50X as well. Hope helped to decide which accessory suits best for your needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Until next time, stay safe.